Hello everybody, this is Vlog, and I am here with Potato Mom. She has just adopted me this year. And since it is my birthday today, unless you're not watching this on June 7th, then you're scum. Okay, so we are making a little box for Lion Fit, and I'm going to do mine with the Wacky Sacks logo, and she is going... Get in here, Potato Mom. She's going to do hers of like a birthday present style, and I'm totally not keeping her captive. Okay, now let's start. First, and I did this off screen, you're going to take a paper, fold it up, and then cut out for the corners. Then you're going to need tape.
I thought that was a shoe. I was confused for a little while.
This is tape equals shoe. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we know stuff. And you're going to tape the sides together.
Wait. Is this gonna be a... Wait. Oh, it's open. It's gonna be an open box. I'm dumb.
Yeah, because we're totally trying to kill Lion here.
Newsflash, I'm totally smart.
Yes, newsflash, this 8th grader is totally smarter than me.
And I'm already failing algebra.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Wait, so 8th graders do algebra, so that means
Not
I
all
found
of
out.
them.
I know, but like I found out that I'm skipping over pre-algebra and going straight to algebra. So I'm gonna be in class with 8th graders.
No, you're not.
Yeah?
They have an algebra for 7th grade.
Yeah,
too.
I know, but that's pre-algebra.
No, that there's an algebra for 7th grade.
Wait, really?
Too. Yeah.
Oh, thank goodness. I was worried I was gonna be trapped with 8th graders.
No, you won't.
No
Trapped
offense.
with my dumb friend.
Okay. Wait, but your friend are they in 7th grade right now?
Yeah, my friend's a fuck. I'm sorry.
You're not supposed to swear on this channel.
It's not a swear.
Oh, someone said it was. So.
Whoever said that is dumb.
Okay. Come in here, Potato Mom.
I'm trying my hardest. What
Yeah.
have I become?
You have become someone who is going to die.
I am gonna die at a young age.
Please don't. Okay, and what we made a mistake of, but we're not going to undo it because reasons.
Because
you're
we're
supposed
lazy.
to, yeah, because we were supposed to color it in first, but whatever, we're just going to color it here.
We'll
So
suck it up.
yeah, so she's going to make kind of like a birthday present thing, and I am going to make the Wacky Sacks logo. If you have seen the short Lion Must Fit in a Box, this is what it's based off of. And also when Steven was unboxing. So
Lol, this is an unboxing channel now. Ow! I just hurt myself, and yeah. Update time, I'm in pain.
I'm not going to do the bubble letters or anything because I'm lazy right now. When I get because this is happening right after school for me. But I'm probably going to like redo this and make it better.
I'm gonna just read this whole time. I hope you know that.
You're just going to go
I like reading.
Comment down below if you are able to decipher what me and Potato Mom are saying.
Saying re, I'm screaming like a pig.
Yeah, but if they can decipher it into
your mom. Whoa! I'm sorry.
What the? Just warning, we are both fandom trash. And you might remember her face because she was in another video on my channel on how to survive middle school. I will also link that below along with the
you're
short.
not gonna survive middle school.
I'm in middle school.
Exactly. You're not gonna survive.
Yeah, well, I'm in it and I survived, so
Not yet. Not fully. I mean, you have to deal with Longo and all that.
yeah, but I kind of have already.
He's a trash can.
Wait, what? He just walked through the hallway like, yes, I am a trash can.
I mean, it's a dance. He's gonna rap Ice Ice Baby, so like that's the only thing I'm happy about.
He's gonna rap? You need to videotape that?
I am.
Send it to me, and I'm posting it on this channel.
No, don't do it. 'Cause then I'll get like stabbed or something.
No, I'm not gonna say you send it to me.
Don't post it, because
Okay.
then you'll get in trouble.
Okay, fine.
Did you hear about what happened about that one kid, like, posted this video exposing the school, and he got, like, OSS for, like, 2 weeks, and they made him take down his channel?
Wait, what was the video about? Spill the tea.
He was, like, exposing the school, and he said, like, 2 bad things about the principal. They're like, nope, OSS, 2 weeks,
I
take
mean,
down your
what
channel.
were they exposing the school about?
Saying how dumb it is.
Okay, seriously, why do the principals care? Oh, my precious ego.
It was so funny though.
Did you say? Well, if I found it, then I would save it because I knew it would probably get taken down. I would just like if I were you, and I found it, I would just save it so that way I could watch it for all eternity and then just post it one day on a channel made just for that.
Dude, they said for him to take down his channel, but he actually didn't. He actually just put it on private.
Oh!
So he's gonna bring it back on the last day of school. I'm gonna cry.
Like on the last day of his school?
He's in my school.
Like, I mean, like the last day of like 8th grade.
Yeah. No, June 26th.
Like the last day of school. Yeah.
28th.
By the way, fun fact, my mom's birthday was going to be the last day of school, the 26th.
Right.
And it was going to be the first time she's going to be in school for her birthday because she's a teacher.
Aw.
Yeah.
That sucks.
Not really. Her kids are really cute.
Mine aren't really cute. Mine are scary. I miss Kevin. He's a great kid.
Wait, what?
My friend. He's cool. He's like my favorite kid.
Are you talking about Baker?
No, I don't talk to him anymore.
You don't?
Mm-mm.
Why?
I don't know.
I thought you adopted him.
Nah. I gave him up.
Are you kidding me? You put your son up for adoption that you adopted?
Yep.
Wow. Because literally, I remember I accidentally called Baker a girl.
Oh, that was the funniest thing.
And I was just like hitting my head against the pole.
We have this joke that he is really a girl, and his name is Bakerina now.
Wait, he is a girl?
He's not a girl. We
Can
have
you
this joke that he is.
Oh.
We call him Bakerina. Well, we used to call him Bakerina.
Ripperoni and Bakerina.
Where's Jason? He's my other favorite kid.
I thought I was your favorite kid.
You're my other favorite kid.
I am so confused.
I have a lot of favorite kids.
Battle of the favorite kids. Comment down below who should be the favorite kid.
We should make that a game show.
Yes. Who is that favorite kid? Sorry about the background. No noise.
So far, Kevin's my favorite kid because he's nice to me.
Ooh.
He actually loves me.
Oh, well, that's normal because you're his mom.
Yeah.
By the way, one day I need to go to your house and we just need to have an adoption ceremony where we have a whole certificate and everything. So it's like, yes.
Well,
It's like, yes, Potato Mom has adopted me.
by the way, it's just a school family. Just keep that in mind, buddy.
Just a school family? What do you mean?
Like a school family, like people they're like, oh, I'm the mom, you're the dad, you're all my children.
Yeah,
like,
yeah. She adopted me.
I adopted a lot of children. It's just not okay. Have some of my foot. Have fun. Where is my? Okay.
One day I'm gonna adopt a kid.
Me and my friend are gonna have a double wedding.
Wait, what? So you and your friend are gonna get married
No.
at the same time?
Yeah, we're just have a double wedding on a certain day. That I get shot if I said what day. But yeah, it's okay.
Who's your friend?
My friend August. He's a good kid.
August, if you're watching this, please tell me when your
Love you,
double
baby.
wedding is gonna be. Ooh. I am Phantom Trash, so I ship everyone and everything. Like, literally, my friend got a button for the Nintendo Switch, and it was a Nintendo Switch dog, and I said I ship the blue and red joystick. I am not joking.
I need help.
What?
Are you okay?
No, I'm in constant pain, and I need therapy.
That's me.
No, I actually go to therapy, so yeah.
I used to.
I saw you.
Yeah.
Did you go to Carrie?
Yeah.
Okay, because she's moving her office to a different building if you're still going.
Huh.
Wait, why do you not go anymore?
I don't know.
She's really nice.
She
Did you ever play in the puppet theater?
No.
I did. Every time.
We just talked about my problems and then left.
Spill the tea.
Just me dealing with stuff.
Like, spill the tea.
Like stuff that I don't want to talk about because I'll break down crying again. So
Okay, Potato
y'all
Mom.
don't want that.
It's okay, Potato Mom. You're near children.
Is it really okay?
Yeah.
What children?
Well, me, Dottie the Wolf, Chaos Stone, because I don't have permission to say their actual name, like how you won't say my name, right, Potato Mom?
Nope.
You better not.
I shall not.
Yeah, in one video I accidentally I haven't posted it yet, but I accidentally someone actually accidentally said my name, and I stopped the video right there.
Wait, did you say my name ever on this YouTube channel?
Yeah, I said it when we did the How to Survive Middle School video. But since you adopted me, I'm just calling you Potato Mom right now.
I remember watching that and crying because it was so funny.
Yeah. It was just we just had to stop. In case you hadn't noticed, we just stopped a bunch of times to try to
I was in a swimsuit and it was not good.
Yeah, we were at the pool when we filmed that. Oh, and by the way, here's the challenge.
At a public pool?
Well, it's not a public, it's like a club. But anyway, so I'm going to have a challenge for you guys. After I put up all of the episodes of my sleepover that I had with Dottie the Wolf and Kylie, I am going to have a challenge where you guys try to find my name in there, because that's actually where my name is said. So
you really want to have them find your name, have them find you, kill you.
Oh wait, show your arm.
My arm.
It's true magic. We have
SpongeBob.
We have SpongeBob and a tattoo of hearts, clubs, diamonds, and
Alice in Wonderland.
Yeah.
That's the theme for the dance tomorrow. Don't tell Michael.
Oh.
I wasn't supposed to tell anybody.
Wait, that's a theme? Are you gonna be the Queen of Hearts or something?
I want to.
I hope when I'm in 8th grade there's a theme so I can just go all out. I'm gonna be like, Mom, this is like a middle school prom. I am going all out.
You have to dress nicely though. You have to wear a dress or a skirt.
Or my dresser has to wear a tie and stuff.
Well, you don't have to wear a tie.
Yeah, but he's like
I want to wear a tie. You do you, buddy.
Yeah, Michael doesn't want to wear a tie, and we actually didn't know if he was going to the dance before this, but then he just said, yeah, And I'm just like, oh my goodness. But my brother's not sure if he's going to graduation.
Wonder if my friend Nick is going. He's a good kid.
Yeah. He's actually not going to graduate. He's probably not going to graduation, the ceremony.
Mm-hmm.
He's probably not going to that. He's gonna graduate, but he's not gonna be in front of people.
My friend.
You know what? I'm probably just gonna make I'm probably not gonna try too hard with this because I'm gonna be finishing this anyways.
I'm sad.
And we're gonna give these to each other because reasons. Because we each have a lion, but she forgot to bring her twin lion.
Your poor lion. He's so alone.
Because for my birthday last year, I asked both my parents for the, I have a list for stuff I want for my birthday, and I sent the same exact thing to both my parents, so then they both got me a lion, and they both got me Pearl. I sent back the Pearl, but they said I could keep the lion, and I could get the money back anyway, so I just gave it to her Potato Mom, because why not?
So
She's
special.
awesome. Okay, ready to see ultimate greatness.
They already saw mine, so.
Yeah, I guess I didn't see mine. This says wacky sacks on all sides, and it's supposed to be cardboard, but whatever. Wait, are we gonna make a lightsaber out of all of it? Wait, where's the yellow one?
Where is the yellow one? Oh.
Behold, lightsaber. Ready? Here you go. Give this to your lion, and this is mine because it's my birthday, so why not? Oh, also, later on, after this video, she's going to probably color it in red or something, so, because that's what I did up. So, yeah. So, anyways, thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this lion. That's my line. Bye!